welcome back to my channel Beauties Crown. My name is Veronica. So guys, in today's video we are going to do deep cleansing at home. Guys, deep cleansing is something which we all should do. I always do deep cleansing once in a week. Mostly on Sundays I do this. This will remove all the dead cells, blackheads, whiteheads and all the impurities from your skin, making your face rejuvenating and very good. So beauties, without delaying, and today I'm going to show you how I do this, what are the steps of deep cleansing, how I do this deep cleansing. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So beauties, after tying my all hair up in this messy bun, now I'm going to remove my makeup with my remover. Makeup removing, here I'm taking this Garnier Micellar oil infused water with this cotton pads, and I'm going to remove my makeup firstly. I'm taking few drops of this Garnier Micellar and going to wipe it out on my face. Our second step is using this facial wipes. Here I'm using this Himalaya moisturizing aloe vera facial wipes. Now I'm using this because I think after using that makeup remover, our skin becomes a little bit tight and dry, so that's why I'm using this aloe vera moisturizing facial wipes. So just make sure there should not be any makeup left. So here I'm opening this. This is my new bag actually, and here I'm taking one facial wipe of Himalaya moisturizing aloe vera facial. Now I'm going to wipe my face with this. This is so soothing and it will gonna remove all the makeup which is left. You can see. Even after removing all the makeup from makeup remover, still there is a little bit of makeup left on my face. That's why it is necessary to use facial wipes. Now friends, our third step in this deep cleansing process is that washing our face with deep cleansing facial face wash or facial cleanser, whatever you call it. So here I'm using this Neutrogena deep cleaning face wash. Many of you are aware of it. This is amazing. This will gonna clean the face, like clean your pores and everything superbly. Seriously, this cleanser is amazing in terms of deep cleansing. So that's why here I'm using this deep cleansing. Firstly, after removing my makeup for as a face wash, here I'm using this deep cleansing face wash. So now here I'm taking a little amount of it. And one more thing beauties, I want to tell you that this face wash I only use this on Sundays whenever I'm doing this deep cleansing method or deep cleansing process. Only at that time I use this deep cleansing face wash. So now I'm going to apply it on my face. After applying this deep cleansing Neutrogena face wash, I'm going to wash my face with my normal water. So friends, our next step is scrubbing, and for scrubbing here I'm taking this Caffeine Naked Raw Coffee Face Scrub. You can see this face scrub is amazing. I have seen for this one is too good. It will gonna remove all the dead cells and everything from your face like a pro. And with this I'm using this small deep cleansing tool. And beauties, all the products which I am using here, you can easily buy it from simsim.com. Simsim is a new app where you can buy all the skincare products and many other products while watching video, and you can watch my video over there while buying products. So this is something so interesting. You can just go, and I'm going to share the link in the description box of the Simsim app, so you can just visit there. So guys, now let's start our scrubbing process. Here I'm taking a little bit of scrub, you can see, like this. Now I'm going to apply it on my face, and here is a switch, you can see. It vibrates little like this, and now after scrubbing, now I'm going to wash my face again with normal water and I will be back in just 2 minutes. After scrubbing, you can see my face. Oh my goodness, all the dirt, blackheads, whiteheads and everything is totally removed. It made my skin so soft and soothing. So beauties, our next step is applying face pack, and for the face pack here I am using Choco Caffeine Glowing Face Pack with arganol and vitamin E. This face pack is amazing. This is too good. I just love this. So it looks like this, you can see. With a spatula, this wooden spatula is too cute. It is like this. And I'm going to apply this glowing face pack on my face. So friends, after applying this face pack, glowing face pack actually, I'm going to let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes and after it, I'm going to wash my face again with normal water. So beauties, I will be back soon. So guys, after washing my face, you can see that glowing face pack actually made my skin so soft. This is so good. Now beauties, let's proceed to our next step, which is this mark sheet. Here I am taking this yellow moisturizing calming mark sheet from its skin. You can see. And I'm going to apply it on my face. This is basically for hydrating. This will gonna make my skin so hydrated. So I'm opening this like this. After applying this face mask sheet, I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes. Beauties, trust me, this is so soothing. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. After 20 minutes, I'm going to remove this. Okay, slowly. Beauties, trust me, this is so hydrating. This is super duper hydrating, I must say. You should try this. This is too good. This is too good. So friends, the last step of this deep cleansing moisturizing is at the end I'm going to apply the moisturizer, and for the moisturizer here I'm taking oil-free Neutrogena moisturizer. I'm taking a little amount of it like this and I'm going to apply it on my face. So friends, this is my whole process of deep cleansing. Hope you guys liked it. You can see this process just removed all the impurities and everything. You can see. It made my face so glowy, so fresh and so hydrated. So beauties, hope you have liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and as I said, you can watch all these videos and buy all the products which I'm using here on the Simsim app. So beauties, please subscribe my channel if you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Do follow me on Instagram if you liked it. Just please give me a thumbs up. Bye. See you in my next video. Till then, bye and love you so much.